Hi everyone, today I'm showing you the brush pen lettering practice book by Grace Song and how content looks like. So first off, of course, I will start with the content pages. Then I will be showing you the interior. So the next section will be the basic strokes. So what I like about this book is that from page 17 onwards, you'll get to see these perforations lines. Can you see this? So with these perforations, right, you can actually maximize the practice book by placing the tracing paper over and then using your favorite brush pens to practice your strokes. So the next one will be the connecting strokes. Lower case alphabet. So for some sections, right, you will actually get to see like, the step-by-steps of the different alphabets. We then have this uppercase alphabet, the different connections from the connecting the lower case letters. We also have this connecting upper to lower case. So have the words. There's also the different styles. So you get to see the elegant styles, the playful style, bouncy letter ones, and you also get to actually practice the different flourishes. So that's all. Thank you.